I've been using this K-Lava Salt, Korea's #1 bamboo salt, for 1 month, and I absolutely love it. So it is very similar to pink Himalayan salt, but much better. I add a pinch to all of my savory foods, my meats, my salads, whatever you would add salt to, this K-Lava Salt is the best. So the way that it is made, it is 9 times baked at 1,472 degrees Fahrenheit, which means it melts and it becomes extremely alkaline. There are 55 essential minerals in here. So it is just really, really healthy, and it tastes great at the same time. All right, so let's take a look. So first of all, it comes in this nice container, and it has a shaker. So you take this off, and then it comes like this. You can see its beautiful purple color in a bag. And all you're gonna do is pour it into the container like this. So it's a lot in there. And then you take the little shaker, you put it back on, and you are ready to go. So this is what it looks like. It is this really cool purple color. You can see that. It's kind of hard to see, but it's very cool, and it tastes really good. It has a little bit of like a very, very mild sulfur taste. Sometimes I'll take a few and just put them under my tongue, and it's really just a great thing to add to your kitchen. So that is my honest review, and I highly recommend it.